Hi there, my name is Thijs van Waveren and I will tell you all about the practicalities of our crossing to the United Kingdom. During our weather window in the first 2 weeks of July, we will seek the best day to cross the North Sea. We have set a go-no-go plan dependent on different factors, like weather conditions, wave heights, wind speeds and currents. All of this to maximize the safety of our pilots and boat. We will be sailing in 2 separate days, to ensure we will be sailing within daylight, and to ensure that we enter the Thames during the right tide, since it can have a strong current. Our team will be divided into 2 teams, the sea crew and the land crew. The sea crew consists of the pilots and backup pilots, the communicator, crossing officer, embedded systems engineers, exposure coordinators, videographer and a diver. Our boat will be sailed by a pilot for steering the boat and for navigating, and a co-pilot for communicating and reading out all the data. The rest of the sea crew will sail on the support vessel to provide technical support when needed and will serve as a medium for communication from the sea crew to the land crew. The land crew consists of the rest of the team, who have important roles like crossing logistics, strategist, communicator, driving with the trailer and land exposure coordinators. The boat will leave from the harbour of Hoek van Holland. And the boat is prepared here 1 day in advance, so we can leave at the right weather conditions. We will sail along the coast of the Netherlands, with a distance of around 20 kilometers beside the coastline. The sailing course is determined keeping in mind different obstacles in the North Sea, like wind farms, sandbanks and busy shipping lanes. Along the route, we have contacted several harbours where we could fall back on if any technical support is needed that cannot be done on the open waters. These locations also consist of overnight accommodation if we would need to spend the night. The land crew will drive along the coast and along these harbours to provide technical support if needed and help with communication and exposure. At the end of the first day, we will be crossing the open waters to the United Kingdom. When the sea crew begins the crossing, the land crew will take the Eurotunnel to Folkestone. Our first planned stop will be at the harbour of Ramsgate, where we will dock the boat, check all the systems and spend the night. We will prepare the boat and team for the next day, so we can safely continue our journey to London. On the second day, we will continue our journey, departing from Ramsgate. We will then sail along the coast of the United Kingdom to the estuary of the Thames. Then we will sail the Thames all the way to London. Our boat will communicate via our co-pilot to the communicator on the support vessel, which will then communicate to our communicator on land. This is so that we can ensure all systems are running correctly and safely navigate to our destination. Before entering the UK, we will stay in touch with the border control and coast guard to ensure a safe arrival. Upon reaching the Thames, the boat will set sail to the harbour of South Dock Marina, where it will successfully reach our scope. By doing so, we will become the first ever fully hydrogen-powered boat to cross the North Sea.